Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of free floating partition walls. The designs of free floating partition walls I have added to my video are very trendy nowadays. This video contains beautiful collection of free floating wall designs. If you decor your house with free floating walls, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains a lot of designs for your home decor. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. This video contains beautiful designs of partition walls. If you also design your home, then this video will be very beneficial for you. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.